now, a major political tremor in the state of Assam, which is poll-bound. Former state Congress chief Bhupen Bora is set to join the BJP, triggering sharp reactions, charges of Operation Lotus, and an all-out war of words between the Congress and Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma. Yes, Mom.
Bhupen Bora, a political heavyweight in the Assam Congress, exits the party just ahead of assembly polls. A setback for the Congress? Seemingly not. At least that is what the party claims. Assam Congress chief Gaurav Gogoi has accused Bora of surrendering to Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma. Gogoi insists Bora's exit will not dent the party and maintain that the Congress will ultimately oust Himanta from power. Congress leaders allege that Operation Lotus has begun in Assam, accusing the BJP of attempting to disrupt and weaken the opposition.
जहां तक अब चुनाव नजदीक है तो ऑपरेशन लोटस शुरू हो गया और साम दाम दंड भेद करके पार्टियों को तोड़ना, ये तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी का शुरू से यही फितरत रहा है। और जो जा रहे हैं उनको मालूम नहीं है कि वहां असम में अब इस बार बीजेपी की सरकार ही नहीं बनेगी।
The BJP is calling Bora a big catch. After days of hectic political activity and failed efforts to placate him, the suspense ended when Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma confirmed that Bora will formally join the BJP on February 22nd. Himanta described the move as a homecoming and called Bora the last major Hindu leader in the Assam Congress, hinting that more leaders could follow.
He is the last recognized Hindu leader in the Congress party. So we are very happy to have him in our party. Our national president, Sri Nitin Nobin, has already approved his joining, and Bhupen Bora will be given all sort of respect, dignity, and will always respect his teacher.
Bora's crossover from Congress to BJP moved swiftly. On February 16 at around 8 a.m., Bora resigned from the Congress. That afternoon at 2 p.m., Gogoi met him in a last-ditch attempt to change his mind. By evening, Bora said he needed time. But on February 17 at 8 p.m., Himanta confirmed the switch. When asked about the exit, Bora says he quit over self-respect, citing leadership failures, confusion over rallies, and infighting within the Congress.
Party were divided in 6 groups, and they will submit a report that how Congress will go ahead for the forthcoming Panchayat, for the forthcoming assembly. What will be the strategy of the party? Other 5 recommendations from other 5 tables under the leadership of other 5 senior leaders never discussed in the party till today.
With elections approaching, Assam's political battlefield is heating up, and this high-profile defection has only sharpened the fight between the Congress and the BJP. Bureau Report, India Today.